What are 3 tips for having a successful co-op experience at Loblaw? Loblaw hires co-op students throughout the year, and whether it's your first co-op work term or your last co-op work term, one of my top tips when it comes to a successful experience is asking questions. Coming into your role, it may be new, it may be the same team, but either way, it's important to ask questions so that you feel comfortable in terms of your role and how you're going to contribute to the team. Remember, as a student, your team, your hiring managers expect you to ask questions. It shows curiosity. Tip number 2 for a successful co-op experience at Loblaw, networking. Now I know that word can seem scary and daunting, but in an organization like Loblaw, where we have multiple business units across a variety of different functional areas, now is your opportunity to really touch base and connect with our leaders who are in those areas and gain that knowledge. My last tip for having an awesome co-op experience at Loblaw is to participate and have fun. Did you know Loblaw has an internal student-led committee that offers professional development and social activities throughout each term? Things like socials, things like eat-together lunches, things like professional webinars where we invite guest speakers. These are things that are all available to you each and every term you're here with Loblaw. So take advantage of those opportunities, meet new friends, meet other leaders across the business, and have fun.